I was using another repair PC down here just to see if I was going to keep it. I've had these since launch. I sold one off to a coworker for what I paid for it, like fees and shipping and everything. And this is the Final Mouse Ultralight 2 Cape Town. The mouse that keeps getting recommended even though you haven't been able to buy them for over a year.
Mouse.
There's your skins. This right here is what started this whole skin craze. That is dumb. Because you're like, oh, you can make the mouse bigger. Why not just get a bigger mouse then?
Does it me or does this look like Razer packaging? Because this looks a lot like
the older
packaging.
Razer packaging.
No, even the new stuff. They have the little thingies in there. Well, maybe
not the newest stuff.
Not the newest stuff. Yeah, but
like 1 gen ago.
Mama wireless.
Yep.
Gen. Yeah.
Yep. 1 gen ago.
I wonder if they're just that's the.
And the other thing about all of the Final Mice, they have like no bumps on the scroll wheel. None. I don't know if you can hear that or not. But there's nothing there. Basically almost free. And I like ka-chunk ka-chunk.
Yeah, that's true. That's right. I think I used my not the Ultralight 2, but the Ultralight Pro not too long ago.
Yep.
And that had the wheels are
just basically smooth.
Yes, they're pretty good.
And I can't stand it. And I will say, if this was a little bit bigger, it would fit my hand fairly well.
Yeah, I was going to say.
And the materials are very good.
It looked a lot like this little gem right there.
Who's this? Oh, is this the Viper Mini?
It is.
Oh, look, that fits my hand way better.
Only it's... let's see. It's not much bigger, but it's like... Oh, slapping the thing around, sorry. Just bigger enough.
Yep.
So
and the Viper in my hand just feels that little bit better.
Not wholly either. What is this, like 50 grams? This is like 60, something like that.
The Ultralight 2 is tiny. Like, it is straight up.
I just can't. Like, I couldn't handle this thing. It was just too small. This is like... I'm sorry.
I will say that for me, that Final Mouse is the first Final Mouse that actually felt like not shit.
Like a build quality.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the Ultralight Pros we had literally would they feel like they're going to fall apart. In my opinion.
Yeah.
And they're like, it's because they're light.
The main clicks. I'll give them props for that on the Ultralight Pro. Fantastic main clicks. Side buttons kind of felt like crap. The wheel, every now and again, you'd scroll, wouldn't scroll. You know.
And Final Mouse is like, oh, it's because it's just we're cool.
I think they were using Moto Speed.
Yeah.
At the time as their OEM. I bet you they're probably using something similar to
the Razer boys.
Yeah, I bet you they're probably.
I mean, Cooler Master's a big OEM. Could be Cooler Master.
Could be.
Not for mice necessarily, not a huge OEM, but for everything else. So.
Yeah.
But yeah, this one I have one more new in box. Definitely selling that one in that amount of time. I'll be deciding whether or not I'm going to sell my opened Cape Town Ultralight 2. We just got a email back from Korn. Yes, I will. Do you have a link for the item? They're going to look for my Kinzu V3.
Oh, nice.
So it sounds like they need a link to like a product page in China that actually has. So I got to do some searching in Chinese.
That's nice.
But I might be able to get a Kinzu 3. You guys might see a Kinzu 3 right here.
One of these days.
In 30 days more than once I finally get the order through.
Yeah.
COVID.
Thanks a lot.
It literally comes on a boat now. So.
Thanks a lot.
We don't have these things called aeroplanes anymore.
I can't say thanks a lot, Mom, anymore. That's my name. Thanks a lot, Charles.
All right. So this guy we're probably going to put off to the side because there's a high likelihood it's going to get sold. Just because, and not because it's a bad mouse. I don't use it. Okay. And it's worth far too much to just keep in my collection.
You're not a fingertip gripper.
Mm-hmm.
You're not like a little claw gripper. And you're not a small child /
And the M710 is just better.
Yeah, exactly. So, you're older than 12. So,
I mean, and the one thing you have to give the Ultralight 2 is it is the mouse that created those, or I shouldn't say created, brought back the side grips. Everybody thinks that's a new thing.
Yeah.
It is not a new thing. Yeah. SteelSeries did that back when they were redesigning Microsoft's mice.
I think I had some knockoff third-party grips for a mouse that was glossy that I hated back in the day. Yeah.
My mom had a mouse of an older gaming mouse of mine for years that had the SteelSeries, it had a palm grip and 2 finger clip.
Yeah.
And a side grips on there.
Yeah.
So this is nothing new, guys. It was one of the things that SteelSeries shipped as an option to, because a lot of their redone Microsoft mice were glossy. So then you could add little foam grippies to them.
I mean,
But
like, quality wise, good quality. Shape's not bad. Nice clicks. It's just too small. It's
Yep.
just too small. Way too small.
I actually love the color scheme personally.
Yes.
Like I really like it.
I
Like
think
they did an
knocked
amazing
that
job
out
there.
of the park. Do they have any other colors that they offer
No.
for this thing? It's just that. Okay.
Yeah.
Cable's good.
Yeah, cable's great.
Actually, much better than the pros, which are stiff AF.
Yep.
These things are actually.
They were one of the
decent.
ones that were pushing that kind of cable too. So like
So
as small as Final Mouse is, and as much as I hate them as a company, as being a hype beast company,
yeah.
they actually finally made a decent mouse.
I mean, if I clawed, I could see that. I could see that fingertip, maybe or claw. I could see it. I'm a pony.
So I guess hit me up if you guys are interested. If it's still around, I'll rather sell it to one of you guys than random eBay seller that's probably gonna resell it and make even more money on it.
Yeah.
All right.